Compound value equivalent to $41.6692 a coin. The present reach: $41.0184, $41.9097. The earlier day close: $41.4990. The change was plus 0.1702, plus 0.41%. Converse rate: United States dollars to comp. Compound value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Compound cost forecast for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $46.84. Greatest cost $49.58, least cost $32.39. The normal for the month $42.59. Compound cost estimate toward the month's end $41.54, change for October 11.3%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $41.54. Greatest cost $46.32, least cost $37.84. The normal for the month $41.82. Compound cost conjecture toward the month's end $41.58, change for November 0.1%. Compound cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $41.58. Greatest cost $50.66, least cost $41.58. The normal for the month $45.29. Compound cost figure toward the month's end $47.35, change for December 13.9%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $47.35. Most extreme cost $47.35, least cost $36.99. The normal for the month $42.87. Compound cost conjecture toward the month's end $39.77, change for January 16.0%. Compound cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $39.77. Most extreme cost $49.36, least cost $39.77. The normal for the month $43.76. Compound cost figure toward the month's end $46.13, change for February 16.0%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. Before all else, cost at $46.13. Most extreme cost $57.26, least cost $46.13. The normal for the month $50.76. Compound cost gauge toward the month's end $53.51, change for spring 16.0%. Compound cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $53.51. Greatest cost $53.51, least cost $42.98. The normal for the month $49.05. Compound cost estimate toward the month's end $46.21, change for April 13.6%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $46.21. Most extreme cost $47.57, least cost $41.35. The normal for the month $44.90. Compound cost conjecture toward the month's end $44.46, change for May 3.8%. Compound cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $44.46. Most extreme cost $44.46, least cost $36.74. The normal for the month $41.29. Compound cost conjecture toward the month's end $39.50, change for June 11.2%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $39.50. Most extreme cost $39.50, least cost $34.21. The normal for the month $37.50. Compound cost gauge toward the month's end $36.79, change for July 6.9%. Compound cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $36.79. Greatest cost $45.67, least cost $36.79. The normal for the month $40.48. Compound cost figure toward the month's end $42.68, change for August 16.0%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $42.68. Most extreme cost $42.68, least cost $33.34. The normal for the month $38.64. Compound cost estimate toward the month's end $35.85, change for September 16.0%. Compound cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $35.85. Greatest cost $35.85, least cost $28. The normal for the month $32.45. Compound cost estimate toward the month's end $30.11, change for October 16.0%. Compound cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $12.72. Greatest cost $12.72, least cost $9.93. The normal for the month $11.51. Compound cost gauge toward the month's end $10.68, change for December 16.0%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. To start with cost at $10.68. Greatest cost $12.44, least cost $10.68. The normal for the month $11.36. Compound cost figure toward the month's end $11.63, change for January 8.9%. Compound cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $11.63. Most extreme cost $14.43, least cost $11.63. The normal for the month $12.80. Compound cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.49, change for February 16.0%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. Before all else cost at $13.49. Most extreme cost $13.49, least cost $10.54. The normal for the month $12.21. Compound cost estimate toward the month's end $11.33, change for spring 16.0%. Compound cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $11.33. Most extreme cost $11.33, least cost $8.85. The normal for the month $10.26. Compound cost gauge toward the month's end $9.52, change for April 16.0%. Comp to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Initially cost at $9.52. Most extreme cost $11.81, least cost $9.52.